Welcome! In front of me I have WITHINGS ScanWatch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to press the side button to wake up the screen on our watch. Once you do it, you can then use the side button. You can rotate it basically because it's a digital crown. So rotate the button until you see the settings option on the screen. Once you see it, press the side button to enter. And here, scroll through the menu again by scrolling the digital crown. Find the option called Do Not Disturb mode. And once you find it, you will see that the status of it. At the moment, mine is turned off. And if you want to turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, you need to select it and then press the side button to turn it on. As you can see, the status changed to on. And now we can scroll up, select the back button to go back to watch face. Like, there should be watch face. Oh, here. Okay. So now the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And if you want to disable it, you need to again press the button, find the settings, enter the settings, find the Do Not Disturb mode. As you can see, the status is on. And to change the status, you need to press the side button to off, and then you can go back to the watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.